How can you put back desktop to your favorites here on the sidebar in case you remove it by mistake or it's simply not there? So as you can see, by default you should be able to see it, but it's really easy to remove this from the sidebar. And now we don't have any place to drag it back from. That's desktop. So instead of searching for it here, head to your Finder settings. So be sure you got at least one window open. You can click the smiley face here in the dock, open a random window, and then you will see Finder at the top left when you can click Settings. And from this Settings panel, you will be able to go to the sidebar, General, Tags, and Sidebar. In the sidebar, you will see this desktop without the check mark, so we can simply turn it on and off. And from here, you can also customize any other element of that sidebar. Alright, let's turn on desktop back, and it's already back here. Take a look. I can go back to my desktop, click and hold to reorder your favorites here in the sidebar. I like to keep my desktop pretty high here. Alright, and that's really it. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next tutorial.